Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle from this short hair. But before then, if you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Osai. Please do feel free to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. I want to use this opportunity to tell everyone who has been in support, or anyone who has been in support here one way or the other, for my for me to get to first 100. I want to say a very big thank you to you all. Thank you so much for the like, for the comment, and for the share. Thank you so much. It means a whole lot to me. I appreciate. So if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle, please stay tuned and don't touch that die. Yeah. So first, to achieve a box braid, you have to section the hair, the particular hair size you want, either big or small. This is the size I can go because the hair is so short. I couldn't cut more than this. So this is the size I'm working on. So after sectioning the hair parts, and then I went ahead and cut, as in to split the hair, or to cut the hair in square shape. Yes, in square shape, to make it more neat. And after cutting the square shape, I applied my marks, which is the edge control, to make it hold, and then a little bit of cream, hair cream, to make it more neat, yes, and shiny. While I'm doing that, I make sure the line is in between the down part. I don't know if I make sense. Like the first row, if you achieve the first row, the second row, you want to make sure they are not in same line. They shouldn't be in the same line. They should be in between each other. That's the middle part. They should be at the middle. That's where you can achieve a very neat and a very neat braid. Yeah. So after doing that, I went ahead to take a little portion of braided hair and start braiding the hair. While I'm doing that, I discovered the extension was a little bit dry, so I applied hair cream. It's just an hair cream. So just the hair cream. I applied a hair cream on my hand and started braiding. So that was all I did. I'm gonna leave it all to watch and enjoy, so you can see for yourself how it goes. So guys, at this point I already finished making the hair, and I did the coiling part off camera. Yes, I did it off camera. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take it out. That's the thread I use in making the coils. I'm trying to take it out of the thread. Went ahead and put hot water on the hair to make it very light, because hot water is very important in a braided hair. It makes the hair very nice and very light. Yes, very light. So I will advise you, whenever you braid your hair, you make sure you put hot water. So after that, I went ahead and put my wax edge control. Yes, this edge control is so nice and perfect. So I went ahead and put it on her baby hair. As you can see, after that, I spray the hair with oil, my olive oil spray. And yeah, that's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoy. Please, if you like it, this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment, let me know what you think about the hairstyle. Please like and share with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.